Hey guys, welcome back. He's Shannon from Direct Carpet. Today we are going to carpet over this wonderful, beautiful staircase that you see in front of me. No, just kidding. We are going to try to cover this thing up. This thing has had carpet over it and over and over and over. So sit back, relax, and please fill in the comments. Look at that broken drywall. Good Lord, how am I going to do this? Well, there's the tools that we're going to be using today. You can find them in the link if you're looking for them. I'm doing this in one piece of carpet for the two stairs. And then we're just going to start, make sure that we're even on each side. And then tuck it in, and we're going to start stapling. Now we're going to go through this quick, guys. We're just going to show you kicking it on real fast and kind of getting into the place so that we can get to the side. Now I'm only going to show you one side today. I'll put out another video next week so you can see the other side if you want, because they're both different. Someone just built this and I get the joy of covering it up. So I thought that maybe you guys would enjoy seeing that not all jobs are beautiful, right? But sometimes some jobs can look beautiful. We try our best. So you can see we're just going underneath there. Do some really quick cuts, fold it underneath, and I'm doing it as I go on the fly, right? Just using some of the techniques that I know. We're gonna hammer it in, fold it around, bend it in. We're trying to cover up that drywall. They can paint that a little bit, right? My job is just to cover up these pieces of wood that are all over the place and try to make it look as nice as possible. I think we did a pretty good job. We're just going to find the mark with our thumb, cut that through, tuck it under, staple it. Now, I wasn't really looking forward to this job. I'd seen it in a couple of pictures. I knew that it was going to be tough to do. Now, I could have done each stair individually. I thought we were a little tight on carpet. I thought I would do, because I was doing it waterfall. Sometimes with waterfall, you can do it in one piece and then fill in the back here. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt. You have to know what you're doing to kind of blend it all. We still got to fill in a little bit of that gap above here. If we had one piece, we wouldn't have had that little cutout there that you can see, but we're going to fill it in. Bang that down. Snip that with some scissors to form it. There we go. Right, just like a barber. Now, please leave your comments down below. I'm sure some people are going to say, what the hell are you doing? Blah, blah, blah. That's all good and dandy. Stuff's got to be done. People want their carpet put in, and they'll pay to get this stuff covered up. And we weren't about to, like, pull every staple. These stairs have had carpet over carpet over carpet, and you know what? People don't want to pay for us to remove those staples. So I know there'll be some of those questions in the comments. Why didn't you remove those staples? It's like, you know what? People are not willing to pay, so we're not going to do it. So here you can see, I just blended that in as good as I possibly can. Now we're just going to see that board sticking out. We got to wrap that around, tuck it behind. There's a gap in the baseboard, so you know what? I'm going to use that. Pop a couple staples in, do the last cut here in front, form it, pop some staples in, hit it with a hammer, maybe some scissor, and that's it. We're almost, I think we're just almost done this side, and that's it. So yeah, leave some comments below and tell me what you think, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. It's definitely a hack job. Looks pretty good considering that, you know, these stairs probably needed to be, someone should have put set a bomb off on these stairs, but not bad. Stick around for the next video next week. Leave those comments too.